Hi everyone, welcome to wsignature.com. In this video, we'll be learning how to make tasty, authentic egusi soup. Now, this method of making egusi soup is quite different from the regular, and I'm going to show you how to add that flavor to your egusi. This is one video you absolutely enjoy watching. It's easy and also very quick, so keep watching. If you're new here, welcome, and as usual, please feel free to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss future updates, okay? Now let's begin. For this soup, you'll need egusi, you'll need momo, you'll need pepper, you'll need palm oil, crayfish, beef, ugu, pumpkin leaves, tomatoes, and smoked fish. Now, this is what pumpkin leaf looks like. It's known as ugu locally in Nigeria. Now, the first thing I will be doing is cooking the meat. I'm going to cook the meat in its juices for a short while. So I'll place the beef and the pomo in the pot, add salt and crush some seasoning cubes into the pot. I'll cover and leave this to cook in its juices for a few minutes before adding the deboned fish and water. I'm going to cover the pot and leave this to cook for about 30 minutes till the meat and everything in the pot gets soft. This is what it's going to look like. I'm going to transfer the meat and the stock and fish into a different bowl and pour palm oil into the pot. This is egusi, ground egusi. Now, to bring out the flavor in egusi, I'm going to fry this for a while. Now, this method gives it a different taste from the regular egusi you are used to. Just stir fry this for a few minutes. Don't let it burn. Then you add your pepper and stir fry. Okay? Next, I'm going to add the meat and fish with the stock. You add water if the stock you are using is not enough. You add water so it will cook perfectly. Okay? So you give this a good stir. And in goes the crayfish. I'm just going to stir this for a short while. And finally, I'm going to add the ugu leaves, the chopped ugu leaves. Now you can, add as much as you really want. Then give this a good mix. And your egusi soup is ready. This is actually the fried egusi method. egusi soup is ready. Once you serve this, people are going to ask you what you added to the soup to make it taste different, and they would always want more. Okay? Frying egusi actually gives it a very unique taste. I'm serving this with fufu. You can serve this with any swallow of your choice. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give us a thumb up or hit the subscribe button, okay? We would really appreciate it. Thank you. Till next time. Bye-bye.